dump truck in the flesh.
Here comes the cootie squad.
We should shut up, Heather!
Sorry, Heather.
Look who's with her. Oh my god.
Dang, dang, diggity, dang, 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 diggity, dang, dang. I can't believe you actually came. It's exciting, right? Oh, I want to say hello to Ram. I brought sparkling cider.
Showing up here took some guts. Time to rip them out.
Well, who's this pig remind you of? Especially the snout. Dang, dang, diggity, dang, 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 diggity, dang, dang.
Where the hell are those freshmen?
Hi, Ram. I wasn't gonna come, but since you took the time to write that sweet note.
What note? Why do you gotta be so weird all the time? People wouldn't hate you so much if you acted normal. There's no alcohol in here! Are you trying to poison me?
Dang, dang, diggity, dang, 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 diggity, dang, 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 dang.